Hi, I'm Graham Mossman from Intelligent Edge Group, and I'm going to describe the options for combining Hadoop and EXASOL data using a simple data discovery example. My data is from the CIA World Factbook, which contains a wide range of data about each of the countries of the world. It's available free of charge on the CIA website. Okay, here's Europe and here's the UK. And if you scroll down, there's some economic data about the UK. As you can see, there's a mixture of unstructured and structured data. An example of structured data is the bank lending rate, which has a consistent format for all the countries and would be easy enough to load into a database. An example of unstructured data would be this list of industries, which can be comma delimited or semicolon delimited. It can have brackets, the word and there's no guarantee that the same word will be used consistently across all of the countries in the data set. Even though the data is unstructured, it could still be useful to us. So let's download it and combine it with some data we already have. Looking at the file, it's quite a complicated tagged format, but all we need is a bit of Java to extract the data we need in a usable format. Here's a standalone piece of Java I developed to do this job, which is just run from the command line. The next step is to implement the logic from this program on EXAPowerlytics so that it can be run against the database. So let's switch to EXA+, and the first query is a simple list of all the lending rates from the economy table. Now I'm going to add in some of the unstructured data from Hadoop. I've implemented the Java file logic in an EXASOL script, and I can just run it by selecting from Joule. The script will call out from EXASOL to MapReduce to get the data, and I need to make sure a process is running on Hadoop to answer this call. The MapReduce process runs and the answer is returned to EXASOL. The data isn't in quite the best format, so I'm going to create a view which tidies it up so that I can combine this data with the other data on my database. I can now select from this view just like I would select from any database table, and now I'm ready to combine it with the other database tables. Here's a query where I join my unstructured Hadoop data with my EXASOL database table data to show the average lending rate for each industry. And the result comes back. It's very easy to forget that part of the processing here is being done in Hadoop MapReduce and part within the EXASOL database. And that's the end of this introductory video. I hope it inspires you to find out some more about EXASOL's Hadoop integration. Thanks very much for your time.